Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I'm using this kit from Station Stickers. I do PR for her, and so I have a coupon code you guys can use. It is just my name, Erica, and you guys can get 10% off this weekend. She is offering printed stickers. She's usually a printable shop, but you guys can shop her weekend sale on December 19th through the 20th and get 20% off. You guys can use my code still, so you guys can use Erica to get 20% off this order, or this weekend only. Whenever she's having sales, she does match our coupon codes to whatever sale it is, so you guys can always use my name to get 10% off or 20% off, whatever she's offering for that sale. And she is usually just a printable shop, so you can only purchase like printable stickers, but once a month for like a weekend or a couple days, she will offer printed stickers that she can print out, cut, and ship out to you. So that's really cool that she does that. And then this kit I am using is called Thankful. This is the week of Thanksgiving. I'm sure it's probably in her shop still. I know probably a lot of people have already planned Thanksgiving, but she does have so many beautiful kits on her shop. And what's really cool is that you get to pick your foil. So I picked gold foil to go with this because I had some SPC like Thanksgiving overlays, but I could not find them when I was filming this, and I was so mad because now I have to wait till next year, and I think I bought them the previous year. So I've been like holding on to them. But yeah, so I was really upset about that. But most of the full boxes do come foiled. Some of them don't, but I just included some of my foil full box overlays from Crest Press. But other than that, that is pretty much the spread. I think it came out so pretty, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the day by day. So this was the second week we were back home. The first thing I'm marking is that I slept in this day. I had stayed out late, pretty late the night, or yeah, the night prior, hanging out with my friends, and so I used a sleep in script from SPC. I was also in my feelings this day. So I used it in my feeling script from SBC as well, and a munchkin from Once More with Love. I also made some iced coffee at home. The iced coffee script is also from Station Stickers. I feel like I'm like stuttering. I've been talking all day at work, so that's kind of why I'm stuttering, I guess. And then the iced coffee doodle is from SPC. I also had to work late to this day. The work late script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations. You guys can use my code Erica Marie Plans to save on your purchase. And then I use a fox and cactus girl to mark that. Moving on into the later part of Monday, the first thing or next thing I'm marking is that I was so exhausted after work. I used an exhausted script from Kinsey's Creations and a munchkin from Once More with Love. I also had my Lululemon delivery this day. It when did I purchase it? Oh, I only purchased it like the week before. So the Lululemon script is a custom from Adorably Amy Designs, and the delivery script is from Kinsey's Creations. And then I ended my night on Monday with Playing The Sims, and the Play The Sims script is from Sticky Essentials, and I used an emoji from the Coffee Monsters code to mark that. Moving on into Tuesday. First thing I am marking is that I edited a plan with me, and that is from Letters to Apollo, and you guys can use my code ERICA10 to get 10% off your order. And then I also had the day off this day, so the day off script is from SPC, and then I think that calendar is from the kit. I think it was one of the icons. And then the next thing I am marking, since I had the day off with a backpack from Foxy Pip, is I went to go visit my students at my old school. I do it every single time I come back to my dad's house, and it's always so fun just seeing the kids. There wasn't a whole lot of kids because it was Thanksgiving break, but some of them were still there, and just seeing the teachers, my old supervisor. So it's always really nice catching up with them. And then I used an appointment sticker to mark that I had to go get my TB test, which I hate doing my TB test. I haven't done it in like 6 years now, just because I've been with the same company, and getting this new job with the school, I had to like just renew my TB test because you need like a current one. So I had to go do that, and it really sucked because I felt like the girl that did it really didn't do a good job. It stung so bad. And it was so funny. The lady that did it was actually my eyelash lady. So I'm like, what are the odds of her doing that now? So that was kind of funny. And then I also had some sushi. Why did I have? Oh, because I went to Gabby's house, and so Austin got us sushi, which was really nice. Or no, he got me sushi, and then they had sandwiches. But we, where was that from? Oh, from the Nugget. So we just went to the grocery store and he got sushi, so that was really nice. And then I think we had wine. I can't remember if we had wine, but I wrote it in my planner. So Gabby, let me know if we had wine. I'm pretty sure we did, or maybe that was the week before. And then we also watched The Bachelorette. This was the day it was actually on TV and we got to watch it live. Honestly, this is the first time ever, I'm pretty sure, that we've ever watched a live episode together. Um, so we just watched it and it was interesting because we didn't know what to expect. There were no spoilers, so it was very cool to do that. And then moving on into Wednesday, I did a grocery run because I had to get my supplies for the next day for Thanksgiving. And then I was also late to work, which I have not done that so far, and I was so stressed out. I hate being late to anything, and so I used a Stick with the Plan Co girl to mark that. And then since I was late, of course, everything just didn't feel right. So work was just awful that day, and everyone was just being annoying. So I used a Not Today Satan sticker from Letters to Apollo. And then I also had to work late that day too because I was just on the phone with the guests for so long. And then finally, I talked to Dean this day, and then we ended our night with having pizza. And then moving on into Thursday, which was Thanksgiving. The first thing I marked, which I actually marked in like the middle of the day, is I put my Rose Colored Days Happy Thanksgiving script. And then I also marked that I cooked. I did cook mac and cheese this year, so I used a cook script from Right Brain Paper Co. and a Munchkin to mark that. And then with these icons from Kinsey's Creations, which I love these, she needs to come out with more of these. I marked that with the turkey, that my dad decided to barbecue the turkey this year, and it was kind of funny slash sad, but ended up working out in the end. But it didn't fit in the barbecue, which was I was like, oh my god, I thought for sure like this would have just been no problem, but it was a problem for a minute, but ended up being fine. My dad was like stressed out about it, but it was fine. I don't understand why he was so stressed. Everything turned out great. And then I had to work this day and I was really tired, so I made a ginormous cup of iced coffee. This isn't an iced coffee sticker at all, but I really liked it, and I used my favorite script from Letters to Apollo that says coffee please. And then we just had some family time, kind of like I didn't really have family time. I was stuck in the room working all day, but we had some family over and they were all just hanging out. So yeah, I don't really know how else to explain that. And then we had all the pie. We How many pies did we have? Like 3 or 4 pies. I only had the apple Dutch pie. I think that's what it's called, crumble or something like that. And my sister made it, and it came out good. And then I'm just moving some stuff around because I needed to make sure everything like fit properly. And then since I was working, it was actually a pretty slow day. We were expecting, or we were like forecasting a lot more guests and interactions, but it was relatively slow, which was really nice. And then I FaceTimed Dean because I didn't really see him and his family for Thanksgiving, so we FaceTimed. And then the FaceTime script is from SPC, and the phone is from My Newest Addiction. And then once I got off work, I finally was able to have some wine because we're not supposed to drink during work. Um, and I take that pretty seriously. I don't know. My dad and Dean are like, you can always just have a drink. They won't know because you're working from home, but I don't know. I don't feel comfortable doing that. But I used a doodle from Once More with Love and a wine time script from Kinsey's Creations, and then I ended my night with playing The Sims. Okay, moving on into Friday. First thing I am marking is that, of course, it was Black Friday. This Black Friday script is from Letters to Apollo, and then I marked that I bought all the stickers, which is kind of a lie because I really didn't do, I did a good amount of shopping, but I purchase stuff on Thanksgiving. I bought one thing on Black Friday. I think it was Murdoch Talks. No, it was Once More with Love. No, what am I saying? I didn't buy anything from Once More with Love, from SPC. And I think maybe it was Murdoch Talks. But I feel like I got most of my stuff on Saturday and Thursday, not so much on Friday. But I did do Black Friday shopping. And then I also marked that it was a really good day at work. So I used a Happy Today Munchkin. And then down at the bottom on Friday, I marked that I was so tired this day. I just, I was exhausted. And then down below that, I marked that we had a round table, which I don't think that's, maybe I had a round table leftovers. That's what I'm thinking, because I know on Wednesday for pizza night we had a round table because my dad didn't want to cook before Thanksgiving. So maybe that's what I had. I think I had leftovers. And I used a munch, no, an emoji to mark that. And then I marked that even though I was so tired, I could not sleep. I don't think I fell asleep until 3:30, 4 o'clock that night. I don't know why. And then it was like an awful sleep because Penn slept in the bed with me and he was, I don't know what was up with him, but he was like all on top of me and I woke up so sore and it was the worst night ever. So moving on into Saturday, I had an early start this day. I think I worked at 6 a.m. and so I used an early start script from Station Stickers and an emoji to mark that. And then once I got off work, I ended up hanging out with Gabby and we just kind of talked. We just hung out and just talked, and it was a really good talk that we had. And then I didn't eat that whole entire day because I just was working, and then right after I got off work, I went to go see Gabby, and so I was pretty hungry. And so I just picked up some McDonald's, which I was surprised they were open because I went after 10 and curfew in California is 10 o'clock. But I don't really care. So I got McDonald's, and then after that I went to go see Dean and we kind of hung out for a little bit. And then moving on into Sunday, I had my morning coffee. The morning coffee script is from Murdoch Talks. And then I marked that I hung up my ornaments on the tree. I used a Christmas icon from Kinsey's Creations, and then I didn't end up putting anything in there quite yet because I am expecting my Letters to Apollo like Christmas bucket list type things. I'm pretty sure put up the Christmas lights is one of them, or ornaments. So I'm waiting for that to come in and I'll put that there. And then we drove home this day back to Arizona. And then right when we got on the road, I want to say we were like 2.5 hours into the drive. Yeah, because we got to the rest stop that we usually stop at all the time, and it's about 2 hours away. But there was traffic, so 2.5 hours. I got a call from my dad saying that my doTERRA oils had arrived, and I was so mad because we were already too far and we couldn't go back, and I wanted to go back so bad, but I will get those this weekend. And then we also did a Starbucks run and got some In-N-Out because we were starving. And okay, it took us, oh my god, how long did it take us? We left at 2 p.m. and didn't get home until 6 a.m. There was so much holiday traffic. It was crazy. And the next day I had a super early appointment too, and so I was exhausted, but I could not believe we watched the sun set and come right back up. It was crazy. And then the last thing I'm marking on Sunday is that we finally made it home, and it was so cold in the house because we didn't keep anything on while we're gone. It's so funny, the first time we left, coming home, it was over 100 degrees, and then now coming home, it's like in the 60s. It was crazy. But that's my spread. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh, I guess I forgot to film the outro of what everything looks like, so I will do that after this voiceover. But I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like the way it looks. I don't know what's showing on the screen, but I hope you guys think it looks cute. If you do, make sure to hit that like button. If you are not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and that bell to get notified when I post videos, and follow me on Instagram. It's Erica Marie Plans. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.